Hey YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech. Here we have something that I ordered online that I saw interesting. I needed a new wallet, so I decided to give this a try. You can't see because it was a little bit torn in the front, but this is from a website called recycledfirefighter.com, and it's pretty much recycled material from firefighters and they made it into a wallet. It got really great reviews, so I decided to give it a try. Not too bad of a price wallet. So let's get started. You can see here, recycled Firefighter. This is pretty much made of all recycled material. And as you can see, I got the Bifold wallet. So it looks like it can hold pretty much a lot. So it looks pretty durable. As you can see, it's all stitched. Right here, right here is where you put your bills in. They also have other wallets too. They also have front pocket wallets, and this is meant for a back pocket, but I believe this can also sit in the front pocket. Currently, this is my wallet right here. You can see ID, debit card, cash, and I like this wallet, but I just don't like this little money clip. It also has a pull-out slide, as you can see, and also a hidden card. Yeah, I like this wallet because I got this one on Amazon, I believe. It can hold a lot of my stuff. So let's see how we can take some of this stuff. This is my ID here. So I have ID cards in there. Let me pull out my bank cards right here. Just gonna, and you see, we get rid of the cash right here. As you can see, $3, not a lot. Looks like it can fit all sorts of cash. As you can see, it fits pretty well in there. And let's see, I have these cards right here next. I'm gonna see if I can separate these. Got my Venmo debit card, insurance card, they go right there. And also have my other two cards. As you can see, we have my other cards right here. Just gonna have to cover up the name a little bit. And I got these are my drink cards. They could pretty much fit right here. Oh, looks like the cards are bigger than the actual card holders. Oh, looks like they have to go in here. So this is the wallet right here. Not bad. I just need to see how it feels in my pocket. It's a little bit bigger than my previous wallet because this is meant for the back pocket. So we shall see. The front ones that they sell did not hold enough. In my mind, I didn't think it had enough pockets to hold all my cards. So I decided to get this one. But as you can see, it's not too bad. Looks like it's pretty sturdy too, so doesn't look like it's and I like the grip right here. It's not the slippery. This one is starting to get a little bit slippery, but this one has a lot of grip on it. So there you have it. I will put a link in the description. This is from all recycled firefighter material. They have wallets. They also have a couple other stuff. They have bags and they have notebooks. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.